Supreme Court has issued a fresh notice to the NTA and Centre making some observations. Admit if there is a mistake in conducting the exam. Supreme Court urges the Centre and NTA to rectify the mistakes, if any. Centre has been told to reply to the Supreme Court notice by the 8th of July. Kanu is getting asked more details. Kanu, in fact, while the Supreme Court asking the Centre to file a reply by the 8th of July when the next hearing is, has also made some observations that this has got to do with the future of the children. It involves their hard work and their labor. And imagine the plight if there were doctors who end up, in fact, the students who end up becoming doctors through a possible fraudulent process.
Yes, Neha, very well. This petition is filed by Nitin Vijay, who is the CEO of the Motion Education and Coaching. And he has also sought some 20,000 children have, been clubbed in this petition and challenged the cancellation of the NEET UG examination and sought for a re-examination. But very, very importantly, the observations from the top court comes at the time because the vacation bench is still sitting. So they have just asked the Centre and the NTA to rectify if there is a 0.001% error also in the entire system, then that needs to be rectified. The bench emphasized on the fact that, the students work really hard for these exams and nobody should go unpunished. The court went on to state that, if imagine a person has become perilous to the system, and also said that imagine a doctor treating who has passed like this and needs to be checked. So the court has advised Centre and the NTA not to take this litigation as an adversarial litigation and comes forward and accepts if there is any kind of mistake. Now all Centre and NTA needs to do is to file a proper response to the batch of petitions which was already pending in the Supreme Court, and they have all been listed for the further hearing on July 8th when the Supreme Court reopens after the summer vacation.
Right, I'm going to thank you for getting us those details, Kanu Sarda. With that report from the Supreme Court of India, can't forget the hard work of students. What about their labor? Imagine if due to negligence, the students who end up becoming doctors, there will be consequences, is what the Supreme Court of India has said today. They're scathing observations made by the Apex Court. In fact, we're getting you more details on the NEET paper leak case, and this story is developing from the state of Bihar. It's a big development here. Bihar government has assured new law for NEET paper leaks. Probe team to match the question papers. In connection with the NEET paper leak case, the EOU team investigating the paper leak in Patna is going to be in Delhi today. This is from our sources, where we picked up that the investigation team is going to be matching the original NEET question paper with the NTA. The investigation team will match the burned question papers found during the paper leak case in Patna. The EOU investigation had asked NTA to provide the original question paper on the 21st of May itself. But in spite of 28 days having passed, NTA has not provided the original question paper. After the evasive attitude of the NTA, the EOU investigation team has itself come into action and has decided to go to Delhi and match the papers.
इस पर कानून बनाने का काम चल रहा है और बिहार में तो हम लोग इस पर कानून भी आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री के नेतृत्व में नीट के जो लोग भी इस तरह के प्रश्नपत्र लीक मामले में हैं, सब पे कार्रवाई करने का निर्देश दिया गया।
तरीके से नीट की परीक्षा में जो गड़बड़ी हुई,
इस पर कानून बनाने का काम चल रहा है और बिहार में तो हम लोग इस पर कानून भी आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री के नेतृत्व में नीट के जो लोग भी इस तरह के प्रश्नपत्र लीक मामले में हैं, सब पे कार्रवाई करने का निर्देश दिया गया।
तरीके से नीट की परीक्षा में जो गड़बड़ी हुई,
इस पर कानून बनाने का काम चल रहा है।
Going to go straight across to Aditya Weber for more details on that big story. Aditya, take us through the investigations, because it is in your state of Bihar where several concerns have been raised, and not just concerns. There have been proof as well which indicates that possibly there was paper leak. hands were greased and that there has been a fraudulent practice involving the NEET exams here and some students.
Well, exactly, Sneha. As far as the case of Patna is concerned, of course, things are very clear as far as the ensuing investigation of the Economic Offences Unit of Bihar is concerned. Notable is the fact that it all started with a crackdown by Shastri Nagar police in an area under the same police station, and we have been given to understand that after repeated crackdown and several raids, it was given to understand that as many as 13 people, including candidates, their parents, and also gang members, have been arrested by the EOU and Patna police so far. But that being said, we've been given to understand that after the NTA chose not to send the reference question papers, while it actually responded to the EOU queries with the details of candidates, now that the EOU officials are planning to move to Delhi and to expedite the case with the NTA themselves. But this is something that is transpiring from informed sources, and we'll have to wait and see exactly when the team actually embarks for Delhi. But notable is the fact that the way NTA has been responding as far as the entire alleged NEET question paper leak is concerned, this actually raises several questions on the way the entire functioning has been done, because they chose to reply the EOU after several days passed and after media technically raised the issue promptly. And notable is the fact that
Yes.
even it responded to the queries, it did not respond in totality, in completion.
The NTA
and
was
that
not
the critical
responsive, is what is
information-
being said by the investigative agencies here looking into this matter involving paper leak in connection with the NEET exam.